Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Srimai Reddy. I create content on beauty, lifestyle and travel. And if that's something that interests you, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And in this video, we are going to pack for Spain. So today is 24th of August and my flight is on 26th 3 a.m. So tomorrow night, literally, I have to be there at the airport by 11 or 12. So before I pack to any big vacation, I create a list of things that I would need and I would categorize day clothes, night clothes, night suits. If I'm going to a beach vacation, then swimsuits, accessories, footwear, and what I'm going to carry, like bags and everything. So I do categorize things and then I checklist every single thing. And I usually start off with clothes, and you have to see the amount of clothes that I put aside. Get ready. Hi guys, it's 25th and tonight I have a flight around 12 a.m. So I still did not pack because yesterday I had a lot of work to do and I had to get things that I forgot near my friends, like my wallet, my specs and all of that, so that I'm ready to travel. So right now I think it'll take me 2 to 3 hours to pack. So let's go. First, I have my day and night outfits, and I'm planning to pack on that side of the suitcase. Day and night clothes are already done, but I feel like the suitcase is too heavy already. Now it's time for bikinis. I think I'm gonna pack around 5 to 6 bikinis, and these are the clothes that I excluded because it's way too much. We are done with bikinis as well. So I'm going for 17 days and I still have night suits to pack. I'm taking 4 sets. It should be enough, but let's see. I'm taking the lighter ones possible. This one is so convenient. I think it's like a layer on top of the things that you put. I really like this. We're also taking multiple flights from Valencia to Ibiza. Okay, Vida incoming. Vida. కెమెరా కడ్డొస్తున్నారా? సరే వెళ్ళు, తర్వాత వస్తా నేను, సరేనా? ప్యాక్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను, ఓకేనా? గో, గుడ్ బాయ్ కదా, గో. So I have 4 to 5 flights as well, like from Barcelona to Madrid, Madrid to Amsterdam, Ibiza to Mallorca and all of that. So I'm packing some comfy airport clothes as well because I cannot travel in something that I'm not comfortable in. Look at Veera's hair on all my black clothes. Having a husky is insane. You see hair everywhere. Like literally, I think I'm eating a kg of his hair every day. I think I'm gonna pack just 4 of them because I can't repeat over there. I'm not gonna travel more than an hour. So let's try to reduce some weight. Next, I'm packing my innerwear, and this suitcase came with this really nice pouch. So I think I'm gonna put all my innerwear, including towel, in this. And I'm also packing an activewear just in case I want to attend a yoga class on the beach and stuff. We can do that as well. All this while I was thinking ఈ క్లిప్స్ అన్నీ ఏరిపోయినాయి.
అవి 7 ఉన్నాయి రామ్నగర్.
ఇన్ని వద్దేమో మమ్మీ, నేను క్లిప్స్ అన్ని వాడా. I'll take 2, maybe like 1 per. Already packed all my toiletries. I still have my pads and tampons lying right there, but this is so heavy already. I'm worried. I don't know how much my bag is gonna weigh at this point, and I didn't even pack makeup yet. Imagine, this is so big. I genuinely feel like being an overpacker is not helping me at the moment. My bag is already full. I didn't pack makeup, there's footwear, accessories and all of that. I have just opened my cabin suitcase. There's not much space, but I think for footwear, makeup and any other things that I'm forgetting, I think this is perfect. So yeah, let's go. And I love the interior of this suitcase. It's so pretty. Even from the outside, it's so pretty. I like my suitcase. I'm I'm done with my makeup. This is my makeup pouch, this is my lipstick pouch, and here we have sunglasses. I love this case. I can carry like 5 sunglasses together. And I have one bag with me, and I have this campaign with a brand, so I'm taking their products with me. And I still have to do accessories, and I'm already dying. I'm so damn tired, but I just want to get done with this. I'm also taking Indian snacks, and this is one of them. It's my favorite. It's called Sarvapindi Appam or Vada. Very crunchy. And last for I think 3 days only, but I really want to have this. And we have some mandates. I have some cash. We have passport obviously, and my cards. I also got my forex card, and yeah, I think I'm pretty much sorted. We also have the trident necessity again. 95% done packing. Only electronics is left, and I'm not taking much. I am not taking any camera or anything. I'm still thinking about taking my G7 Mark II or no, but at the moment I didn't pack. I still have time. So right now I'll just take off my makeup, I'll wash my hair, and I'll pack the rest of the things. I did forget to pack couple of things in my small suitcase, so I think I might open it again and pack. So yeah, we are finally towards the end. I'll freshen up quickly, and I'll come back and I'll see you guys later. Done with my shower, and if you can see my face, I am exhausted. And how look at how Leah is sleeping. Sometimes I wish, why am I not born as a dog? Like, just look at her life. That's Veera again. Veeru, will you miss me, Veeru? Will you miss me? Will you miss me? Yeah, madam. Leah, madam. బయటికి వెళ్తున్నా నేను బాయ్ చెప్తావా? We are all packed. That's Veera constantly talking to my parents. But anyway, we are all packed, and I am super excited. Just look at these Indian snacks, yeah, like the core Indian. There's power bank, there's my charger, AirPods, and a tripod. So we have all the things right here, and that is it. Oh my god, finally we are done packing. And I had to leave for the airport, and my parents decided to drop me. Thank you so much for watching. I am super excited for you guys to watch my Europe series. I have vlogged everything, so stay tuned for that.